Howdy. Hi. So today I'm going to be installing new headlights on my
I meant to say tail lights. Sorry.
My 2016 Frontier. Come along. Should be fairly simple, but we'll get her done. We'll do it. Let's tailgate down here. For any of you who didn't see, I recently finished putting carpet up in here. Go check out the video. Dang. I can't even see. So this one calls for 10mm socket. All we're going to need to do is remove these two bolts like so. Shablam. That sucker should, in theory, pop right out. Yeah, jostle up. Oh, there you go, Dallas. Dang. Alright. A little dusty in there, I'll tell you what. Alright, and then we'll just unplug each socket. A full light. Don't want to unplug the light. That's the socket, Dallas. I'll get the light out just so I can just out of the way. What it looks like is just plug and play, so we'll just these dang old sockets out. Keep the there we go. That should do it. Unboxing. And grab the correct one. What an ass. What an ass. Alright, so we got all the release tabs off of the connectors. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect them. Totally plug and play. Goes there. Oh, that's the wrong one. This one goes here, maybe. There we go. So this one will have to go in here. Shablam. Before I screw anything in, let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up and make sure she works. Blinker works, running light works. Let's test the brake light. Go ahead and check the video, make sure that brake light works, because I have no other way to find out. Alright, everything appears to be working as it should, so I'm going to go ahead and get this guy mounted up, and then we'll do the other side. I'll get in a little more detail on the taking off the connectors, because I fumbled a little on that first one. And for your satisfaction, look at that. I will tell you one thing I probably will do is get some weather stripping. You can see there's a little gap there, and I could see water getting in there, so I'll probably Here in the next couple days, I'll just get some cheap weather stripping and wedge it up in there. Yeah, that looks really nice. I'll be sure to show you all some footage of it at night. Here's a little comparison. Old one and new one. I'm going to bring you in for a different angle on this side. Taking off the bolts. I already opened up this side because I put a differential breather in there for my differential. Yeah, this one's definitely a little tighter. So, bring you in for a good angle to watch me disconnect those little doohickeys there. Alright, so pretty much you just squeeze and pull. Allegedly. Let's start with the top one. This one's the easy one. Looking like some kind of amateur over here. Gosh. There we go. That guy back in there. Sweet. Alright. There's that one. Here's all plugged in. And here, this here is the differential breather. I hooked it to my axle with a tube, and just the breather is sitting on the axle there. So if you get mud, you're in mud or water, that could potentially get water into your differential. So I brought it up back behind here so you can see. So yeah, let's get this one plugged in, then we'll start her up. I want to make sure everything's nice and neatly tucked in so it doesn't do too much jostling around in there. I should have checked for function before I'm screwing it in, but I trust it'll work. And now the money shot. Oh, that's so satisfying. Look at that. So we'll again go ahead and fire her up and start for function. Check for function. Start for function. God, this guy's so strange. What a weird man. Brake. 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 Reverse light. I just realized I didn't even check the reverse light in my first one. Wow, that looks pretty sweet. A little close up on this side. Oh yeah, you can see it better with the light not shining your face here. Once it gets dark, I'll bring y'all out and we'll look at them in the dark. But right now I'll do a little chat if you want to stick around for that. See how that looks. Oh yeah, everything closed. Just look at it. Just look at it. That looks 100% better. Matches the little black vinyl I did on the chrome here. I was thinking of dechroming the whole thing, but this bumper is actual chrome. Everything else that I dechromed was plastic chrome. So I think I'll just keep the bumper like that. I like the way that looks. But anyways, most of the stuff I've done cosmetically to the truck is done. All that's left now is upgrading the inside. If you want to check out my carpet installation video, check that out. It's pretty funny. What else? I will do a video of everything I've done to the truck here, maybe in the next couple weeks, cosmetically and mechanically. I've only done a couple of mechanical upgrades to it, but cosmetically I did a bunch of pretty neat stuff for a very inexpensive price for it. And I'm not sure if it'll be out after this video or before this video. I might do this video after, but I'm gonna go out here in a couple days for my Halloween trip, and I have a lot of funny stuff, or pretty cool stuff planned for that, so I hope you follow along. I did get a GoPro and I got new microphone, so hopefully from here on out the sound quality and audio will be exceptional. So I'll work on adjusting everything. So I'd say within 2 videos from now you won't have any complaints about wind noise, bad camera no more. I won't be filming on my phone anymore unless I need to take clips somehow with it, because the GoPro doesn't zoom in, unfortunately. But I just did drop a hiking video with this thing, and the footage looks outstanding. I really like it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed a short video for once. But oh, and also go check out my backpacking trip I did in 2020. That was a really neat video. So just, hit the thumbs down. I appreciate that. Subscriptions are optional. I don't care if you subscribe or not, but I hope you do. I hope I'm the kind of person that you would want to watch videos from, because I'm doing this mostly to document what I do. But I mean, if other people can do it and get on board, and I could make a chunk of change off this, that'd be pretty sweet. But I'm not going to beg for views or people to subscribe. That's why I want you to hit the thumbs down. You know what I mean by that, is hit the thumbs down. So without further ado, I will catch you outside. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
There's a look at it with the lights off. Forgot to show you that. But also, one more thing. Never throw away your old ones. I mean, these are completely functional with all the lights intact. So I'm just going to throw these in the basement and hang on to them in case something happens with these, or,